Do you want to live your entire life in one spot? Sure, there are a lot of jokes about it and stuff like that, but the reality is nobody would want to. And the reason we're so afraid of alien life coming here is because we're afraid that they'll enslave us. But look what we do to a bird, to a macaw of all things. We make them live and die in the same spot, and they have no other option. And nobody cares because they're birds. They just continue on doing it. Well, there are a few people that do care, and hopefully more people will be supportive of the change.